Hello, good afternoon everyone. I'm here to invite you to know more about the Wings Company. Do you know that many large companies have been established in our country? So that we are present with a various type of products that are able to meet our daily needs. One of them is a Wings Company. This company is engaged in local production and distributor of household and personal care products to become a dynamic and diverse business group. Let's know more about this company.
Hi everyone, my name is Ista Aziza with NPM 2002-114-5010 from group of 5. Now, I want to explain about our company profile, namely PT Wings. First, let's get to know the Wings company. Wings has become one of the most trusted names in Indonesia. Indonesian families turn to a wide range of household products, personal care, food and beverage, and expect Wings to provide uncompromising quality product. Our brand have been passed down from generation to generation, with its advanced manufacturing technologies, world-class facilities, and stringent quality assurance. Wings product meet the high industry standard by remaining innovative and delivering high-quality product over the course of more than 70 years. Wings honors its commitment to improve the daily life of Indonesian consumer and demonstrates the extent to which the company values its customer. Innovation and keeping up with changing consumer tastes have allowed Wings to remain at the forefront of the consumer goods market. Next, I will explain about the history of this company. The history of this company begins with Pak Harjo Sutanto moving from Tulungagung to Surabaya in 1948, and the late Mr. Johannes F. Katuari moving from Yogyakarta to Surabaya to establish a household soap factory named FA, Tongfet, which means success and prosperity with the FA, and in the 1949 launched Tongfet first product, namely a bar of chocolate Wings soap, which was produced in a factory on Jalan Kidul No. 2, Surabaya by 6 employees, distributed using bicycles, kept sale and carried out door-to-door system, and consignment at corner shop at market shop, and drop women with basket on their head called peddlers. Next, in the 1971, the production of cream detergent economy received review from the market. This momentum was maximized by several more modern marketing strategies. The addition of distribution centers, modern and efficient after-sales service, distribution expansion supported by branded like intensive promotion through advertisement, exhibition, and direct selling event. Next, in 1974, after traveling for approximately 26 years, finally in 1974, a marketing office was opened in Jakarta, the capital city of Indonesia, which is located on Jalan Cepaka Putih. This office is headed by Mr. Teddy Jeffrey Katuari with 3 employees and 1 distribution car. In 1976, PT Dewasai Utama Mas factory was established, producing soap, paste, and its plastic containers. It didn't stop there. The 1918 was a period of rapid expansion of the Wings Group with the establishment of new factory and distribution center throughout the archipelago. Until now, the Wings Group has become Wings, which is one of the most trusted names in Indonesia. After we know the history of the Wings Group, I will explain the vision and mission of this company. The vision is strive to be able to meet customer satisfaction in accordance with the meaning. Vision is to describe what an organization will become in the future. It is simple. Foster a sense of obligation. Profit a challenge is practical and realistic and written in one short sentences. Here, PT Wingsport has a vision of trying to fulfill customer satisfaction in short sentences and in accordance with the ideals of this company going forward. The mission is to achieve the company vision. We implement policies in product quality, production efficiency, time discipline, and consistency in quality. Next, we will explain about the product and organizational structure of the Wings Group, which will be assisted by Putri Fahmiatul Ilmi.
My name is Putri Fahmiatul Ilmi with NPM 2021 for 501017. Today, Wings is recognized as a leading local manufacturer and distributor of home care, public care, personal care, food and beverage products. Being a dynamic and diverse business group, Wings is still dedicated to the company's vision of all the good things in life should be accessible for everyone, in making life better for Indonesian consumers by providing uncompromising quality of products. The first product is food and beverage. Brands that have been launched include Just Juice, Fresco, Mie Sedap, soy sauce, and others. After food and beverage product, there is a personal care. Some of brand this product are Ciptaden, Kodomo, Smile Up, Gift, Nuvo, Emeron, and others. The last type of product is household needs. Some of brands that have been launched are Blue Wings, Economy, Daya, Soclean Power, Boom, Soclean Softener, Wings Porcelain Cleaner, Mama Lime, and others. After you know the product range from Wings Group, let's find out what the organizational structure looks like. 1. Marketing and sales, one of which is in charge of identify the target market and potential competitor and identify customer needs. 2. Production and engineering, to be responsible for maintaining the production process to achieve production targets while still concentrating on the quality of goods, equipment, maintenance, and efficient use of raw materials. 3. Finance and accounting, one of which is in charge of must understand administration, accounting, and financial concepts, analyzing accounts data, identifying problems, and planning system improvements. 4. Logistic, one of which is in charge of inflow purchasing, supply chain management, and distribution departments. 5. Information technology, one of which is in charge of able to have good IT, able to tour the network and deal with problems the areas in the field. 6. Human research, one of which is in charge of commit to the development of human and organizational research so as to increase business efficiency and productivity and continue to increase value for both the company and employees. 7. Research and development, one of which is in charge of must have a solid background and mastery of chemistry and research, able to develop exciting product according to market trends, and able to design the right packaging according to the function.
My name is Alvito Trianugrah with NPM 2021 14 50 12 and 99. Financial report. For the financial statement of the Wings Company are as follow. 2019 increased by 3.5% to 7.45 trillion from 7.19 trillion in 2018. 2020 increased by 5% to 7.82 trillion from 7.45 trillion in 2019. 2021 increased by 2% to 7.97 trillion from 7.82 trillion in 2020. After we know how the financial statement of the Wings Company, it can be seen that every year there is significant increase in point.
Hello, my name is Willy Franz Gideon with my NPM is 2021450123 awards. During the time this company was established, there were several awards that have been achieved, namely the first Padma Mitra Awards in 2020. Padma Mitra is an award given to a business entity that has implemented best practice in corporate social responsibility activities in the field of social welfare. Wings Group Indonesia received this award because it was committed to helping the handling of the COVID-19 outbreak. Since the first time this virus spread in the community by distributing various aids ranging from personal protective equipment, respiratory assistant equipment, hand sanitizer, hand wash, liquid disinfectant, detergent, shampoos, and staple foods. The second is Indonesian Living Legend Companies Awards in 2018. The Indonesia Living Legend Companies Awards in 2018 is presented as a form of appreciation to companies that have been able to run their business for more than 50 years and are able to survive in the face of challenges in the form of domestic and foreign economic crisis, as well as business competition, and have succeeded in appearing as companies that are able to continue to grow and develop growing very impressive. Third, Indonesian Best Corporate Social Activities in 2016 and 2018. Mixmarcom Magazine Award Wings Corporation and Wings Food in 2016 and Wings Peduli Kasih Foundation in 2018. Mixmarcom Magazine organized Indonesia Best Corporate Social Activities and awards for corporate social program in Indonesia, which were considered successful in bringing a significant impact to the beneficiaries, as well as having a positive impact on the business of the organizing company. In addition to receiving awards, Wings Company also often conducts social activities to help the community through the Wings Care Foundation. So from this we can find out the reason why this company has received various awards.